welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about winning the beauty pageant. Yes, like winning Miss India title, Miss World title, Miss Universe title. These titles are very much visible in your horoscope with some planet positions and some planet being in some certain sign. So today I am going to tell you guys that what are those planets and what are those signs in which they become really fruitful to give you the result of winning a beauty pageant, and that too of high grade. There are state level also beauty pageants, there are city wise also, but there is country wise, there is international level. So what are those alignments which give you such high level of winning beauty pageants? So today we are going to talk about the planet positions and those signs in which these planets become so helpful in giving you these results. Venus and Moon, these two planets are very important for you to win the beauty pageant, and especially Venus being the planet of beauty, the grace and the poise, the planet of luxury, and this planet, when is in the sign of Libra, when is in the sign of Taurus or Pisces, in which it gets exalted. If these signs this planet is sitting in, and along with that, if it is in your first house, second house, fourth house, seventh house, or 10th house, it actually indicates that you will do some business or some profession of beauty. Along with that, if your moon is in the sign of Taurus, the sign of its exaltation, it is an indication that this planet is of firm mind, good expression, intelligent, which are very much important prerequisite to win a international beauty pageant or any beauty pageant. So Venus and the Moon, these two planets are very much responsible to win the beauty pageants, and especially in the signs of as I said, Venus should be in 7th, the Libra sign, Taurus sign, Pisces sign, and Moon should be in Taurus sign. Especially it can be in Cancer sign also, because it is its own sign. Now many people will say that I have these two planets in these signs that I have said, but along with that you must have some Raj Yogas also, because when you win a beauty pageant you actually give fame to the country that you are coming from. So it is the royal favor, and royal favor comes from direct from the government. Now the government favor should also be indicated, and that is called the Raj Yoga. There are two type of yogas, Raj Yoga and Dhan Yoga. So the Raj Yoga is the government favors, and that happens when you have Malvya Yoga in your horoscope. If you have Venus, Moon in these signs, in these houses that I said, along with the Malvya Yoga, which means your Venus is in Libra sign in the Kendra, first, 4th, 7th, 10th, or your Venus is in Taurus sign in 1st, 4th, 7th, 10th house. This is called the Malvya Yoga. This is a very beautiful yoga to win an international pageant or something to do in the beauty industry. If you see Aishwarya Rai, in her horoscope you have Venus, you have Rahu, and one more planet, Moon, yes, in the 3rd house. 3rd house is the house of courage. To do these activities or to get into this field, you really need to have some courage, because nobody will gamble with his or her career to get into this. So you are actually forsaking something, maybe say some career, over the getting into this line. So courage is very important, and that's why Aishwarya Rai has Venus and Rahu and Moon together, all three planets in the sign of Jupiter, Sagittarius, in the 3rd house. So Venus and Moon together has given her courage and the beauty and the firmness of mind and the emotional expression and everything that was desired, and gave her such a beautiful demeanor and personality that she won the Miss World pageant. Same is with Sushmita Sen. Sushmita Sen has a Moon in Taurus sign in 8th house, and she has her Venus in 12th house in a debilitated sign, that is the Virgo. But what beautiful thing is happening in her chart is that it is getting a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga. Now that is a separate Raj Yoga. Neech Bhang is a very, very strong Raj Yoga. I have made a video on that too. So in this, what happens that the planet that gets debilitated, the sign in which it is getting debilitated, its sign lord comes into the Kendra houses like 1st, 4th, 7th and 10th, and see what's happening. Her Venus is getting debilitated in the Virgo sign, whose lord is Mercury, and which is sitting in her Lagna, making her super intelligent, more than beautiful. She is super intelligent to win this pageant. So Venus is the signification of what? Is a significator of beauty, luxury, and it is sitting in the 12th house of foreign lands, and Neech Bhanga is occurring because of the Mercury, which gives lots of intelligence. She is an intelligent woman, and she won what? The Miss Universe title, and this all happened because of the Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga that occurred in her horoscope. I said you might be having Venus in Taurus or Libra and the other signs that I said, or Moon in Taurus, but along with that you must have some Raj Yoga, either Malvya Yoga, Hamsa Yoga, or the Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga to support it. So this what happened in the Sushmita Sen's chart. So check out in your chart, do you have a Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga occurring along with, or maybe Malvya Yoga occurring, or do you have the Venus and Moon very strong in these 3 signs in any of these 1st, 4th, 7th, 10th house, either from your ascendant or from your moon. There are chances of you getting into it and getting the name, fame, success along with that. One more planet is there. Saturn is the planet of public and the masses, and 7th house is the house of other people, and these are the profession like acting, modeling, and winning these pageants are the byproduct of you winning over the people heart, and the people are represented by the planet Saturn. So in case you have Saturn planet in Capricorn, or say in Aquarius in the 7th house, that's along with Venus being in 7th, like in Libra or in Taurus, and so again this also indicates a huge success through people's love in this category, in this industry. So thank you very much for watching my channel. Look into your horoscope, see do you have these alignments, and in case you have any question you can post it on my here or on my website, where I can give you the personal assistance as well. Thank you. Bye bye.